Good morning, Pride. This is Kara Koch, class of 2007. I'm a proud graduate of the Lawrence Herbert School of Communications, and today you're going to get to see a day in my life as a producer in the international department at Sesame Workshop. Let's go. I've been at Sesame for almost 11 years now. I'm a producer in the International Social Impact Division, and I work on some of our series around the world, such as Sisimpur in Bangladesh and Gali Gali Sim Sim in India. So I started as an intern in the home video department, thanks to Professor Doug Morrow for suggesting that I apply here. And now I'm an international, and I never thought I would travel for work, but I get to go a lot of places. So the Sesame Street series is actually filmed in Queens, but we do have a small studio here in the office. Let's go check out what's going on. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I want to wish all current and future Hofstra students great success on your path to Pride, and who knows where you'll end up.